in this problem, we're asked to find the area sketched in the graphs. So you can see it there shaded in pale blue and indicated with an A. The function we're looking at, this green curve, is -2 times sine x, and you can see that A extends from x equals 0 through to x equals pi. Now, normally what we do in this sort of situation where there's no intersections between graphs or anything like that is just to say that the area is given by the definite interval over the limit in terms of x of the area that we're looking at, integrating the function itself, -2 sine of x in this case, with respect to x. Now, the issue with that in this particular case is, as you can see, all of the area lies beneath the x-axis. So if we went through and calculated this integral, which you'll see in a moment, it ends up being a negative value. Now, you can't have a negative value for an area. That doesn't really make sense. So what we do from the outset is take the absolute value of this. What that's going to do is remove the negative in the end. It'll still have the right value to tell us the area of the space that's shaded in, but we'll have a correct sign on it. Okay, so let's see how it works. We leave those absolute values until the very end. We're going to integrate this function first of all. So -2 will stay. Sine integrates to negative cos, so it will then become a positive, and cos of x. If we have our limits 0 to pi, and the other end of the absolute value. Okay, again, leaving the absolute values, we'll evaluate that result at x equals pi and x equals 0. So we have 2 times cos of pi, first of all, and then take away 2 times cos of 0. We still have our absolute value. Okay, well, cos of pi, that's just going to be -1. So we'll have 2 multiplied by -1, take away 2 multiplied by cos of 0, and cos of 0 is 1. Cleaning all of that up, you have the absolute value of -2, take away another 2, was -4. And you can see that the integral that we started off with has ended up with a negative value. Absolute value signs, get rid of that, and we get our result that the blue shaded area up the top here between -2 sine x, the x-axis, and these endpoints x equals 0 and pi is 4 units squared.